Hello everybody, welcome back to the 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage the exterior side mirror settings on your XPeng vehicle. So, I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance, and what you guys want to do first is go over, tap on the settings icon and go to drive. Here in drive, we scroll down until we see the steering wheel and side mirrors. We're gonna go to exterior side mirrors, and as you guys can see, we can easily fold them, so we can change the change how they look like. We can set it up based on our preference, and also in the on your steering wheel, you can adjust its height, and you guys can do a lot of stuff here. You guys can manage your mirrors perfectly, and that's basically how you guys can do it. So you'll basically just swipe on your steering wheel. You can also go over and tilt down the left side mirror and right side when reversing. You can also fold your side mirrors, and now they are folded. You can unfold them, and also the streaming rear view mirror, so that you don't have to look into the small window. You can look into the camera, and also you can automatic visibility adjustment at high speeds. You guys can change it. It will be in your mirror, and that's how you guys can easily change the exterior side mirrors and those streaming rear view mirrors. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.